Hi, I'm Jeremy Pollack. I'm a social organizational psychologist with a specialty in peace and conflict psychology. Instead of immediately rejecting someone's idea or looking for the parts that won't work, we want to try to find the hidden gems in the idea. We want to try to immediately look for merit or value in the idea. That's number one. So step one is listen. Step two is repeat. Before we respond to someone's idea, before we tell them our opinion or our perspective or respond to it in some way, we want to repeat back what we heard. Almost verbatim or paraphrase in some way. This is called reflective listening.
The whole meeting, I like that idea.
Okay, and you notice there how, number one, it's very obvious that I'm actually considering the idea, I'm thinking about it, I'm trying to find the merit, and I'm reflecting that value back about the idea. See if you can pause the video now and just write out on your piece of paper how you might respond to this idea using our 4-step sequence. Go ahead and pause the video now. Again, it doesn't matter that you implement the idea at the end of the day. What matters is they feel heard and that they feel respected and they feel valued in terms of bringing their input. That's really important.